You have a rather large dataset and would like some tool to help you split them up into stacks without having to redo everything from scratch? Use the Virtual Topics feature to simplify the process. In this current topic, let's say you would like to create two separate models using the same set of images but different object classes. The first model for triangles and the second for squares. Let us create a virtual topic, model_triangles, and add the images using the start index and end index. A new folder called models_triangles appears with the assigned images. We can create another virtual topic, model_squares, as well. Now, let us navigate to the virtual topic, model_triangles, in Label tool and create bounding boxes only with object class triangles. Next, let us navigate to virtual topic models_squares and perform some annotations with object class squares and save them. Navigating to the main topic, one can see both the annotations, but the annotations done in one virtual topic is not visible in another virtual topic. The same is true for the statistics displayed in the cockpit. Bookkeeping AI datasets is quite simple with the virtual topics functionality. Using the virtual topics, one can now create a model for individual object classes or use the main topic to create a combined model. Another feature that is especially useful when a dataset is already annotated is to create virtual topics using filters. For example, here we can create a virtual topic called Classification Square. Using the filter option, all images that contain classification with object class square will be copied here. The created virtual topic can be seen under the list of topics to the left. Simply click on the name to view the virtual topic. And a preview of the image can be seen by holding the mouse over the picture icon. Images can be added here or deleted using the delete button. Assignment of images to virtual topics can also be done via the Label tool. In this example here, I have created two virtual topics beforehand to separate the images that I would like to use for training and for evaluation. Now, as I am browsing through the images in Label tool, I can sort them into one virtual topic or another using this button here.